So this is my hair, natural. Didn't put anything in it, no products, no anything really. So I already put it on to preheat. It has the swivel cord, which is nice. And it has one of my favorite features. It has a mirror here so that when you're done, you can see yourself in the back. So you can see if you missed a spot or if you have a bump back there or a wave, which is one of my favorite features. So I always have to find a mirror to look back there, and it already comes in your brush flat iron. So that's super, super cool. It has 3 heats, low, medium, and high. I'm gonna try high. Maybe I won't need it. I used the high on my mom just because her hair is so thick and coarse. So it worked for her. I'm gonna try it. And then this is what it looks like, and it is super hot. So don't touch here. It's really hot. So I'm not gonna part it. I just wanna see how it does without doing all that. So I'm gonna run it through my hair. Just gonna run it straight through. Okay, my hair is hot. So it does leave it really hot. I'm gonna just get the top here and just okay. Like I said, I haven't put anything in my hair. I'm just running it through as if I was in a quick hurry and I was just gonna do my hair really quickly. This is amazing. I'm just brushing it through and it's taking out all the frizz, and not to mention it leaves your hair super soft. It feels amazing. So I'm just going through. Yeah, so be careful you don't touch your hair immediately because it's really hot. So it does burn, but I really like this. I'm super excited to take this to the hospital with me when I give birth because I don't have to look like a hot mess, because I hate to take my flat iron because I'm not gonna sit there and flat iron my hair and part it out and do all that. So I'm super excited to take this because I don't have to do all that. I can just run the brush through my hair and it'll look super straight. Okay, so this side is pretty much done. I didn't part it, I didn't do anything. I just ran it through a couple of times. I'll probably go this way so I can get the bottom. But okay, so it really straightens it. Like, it leaves it straight. My hair looks like I ran a flat iron through it. Now this piece of my hair, it's always been burnt and I never know what to do with it. So I'm gonna try to kind of run the brush through it and see. Maybe that helps just a little bit. I am super impressed with this brush. I mean, literally guys, you just brush your hair and it's straight. Like, as a mom, it's like amazing because you can just run it through your hair. And for people like my mom that don't know how to do their hair, like my mom struggles big time to do her hair. I don't know why, it's really not that hard, but she doesn't know, I guess, how to part it and all that. So she just, you know, when she does straighten it, you have to, when you straighten your hair for the most part, especially when you have thick hair like hers, you have to part it, and she's not good at any of that and she doesn't like to do that. So she either has frizzy hair or she attempts to straighten it, but you know, it doesn't come out the best. So this for her is gonna be perfect. She's probably gonna order one too because this works really good. Okay, so this side is straight and feels super, super soft. So I'm gonna do the other side. So I'm just gonna kind of push through it. You can do this in many different ways. If you want to part it for it to come out super straight, you can. If you are in a really big rush and you're just trying to get out the house and you just kind of want to run the brush through your hair, you can do that as well, because it works both ways and it leaves it pretty straight both ways. My mom's hair, I didn't part or anything, and it came out super straight, and now I'm doing my hair the same way and it's coming out pretty darn straight. So I am super impressed by this. Super. Okay. Even the front. Look at that. It got even my layers that kind of go like that, and it just like, it looks super nice. I absolutely love this thing. I'm going to use the crap out of this. I hate to straighten my hair. That's why you guys a lot of time will see me with curly hair or wavy hair, because I just am too lazy to straighten it and I just don't want to take the time to do it. So this takes like 5 minutes. Like, I literally did my hair, my mom's hair, in 5 minutes. So it was super easy. So now I'm gonna kind of look at the back and see how it is back there. And so I'm just gonna kind of go over some of the back. Okay, so I'm just gonna kind of go over this a little bit, just because I want to make sure there's no bumps or anything back there. But so far it's coming out really straight. And guys, like I said, I didn't part my hair. I didn't do anything special to it. I just showered, didn't blow dry it or anything. Just showered and ran the brush through it. So this is amazing. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys my hair all done. Wow, like, I am super impressed. Like, my hair looks like I flat ironed